Regret is when people are regretful of the things they didn't do, not of what they did. What's up, vlog? There's a few things that I would like to actually take out of my chest right now. There's a lot of thoughts that's going on after watching several videos on YouTube and some things that happen in the office. So there are three things I want to talk about. Number one is my utmost greatest appreciation towards everyone that viewed my video. A few of my staff actually came to me and, hey, I really like your property review video, I really like this. And then some friends actually decided and make that decision to put in the check and buy a unit for their well-being. Some of them would just make fun of me like, yo,
What's up guys, my name is Sean Tan. Today what we're gonna introduce about is our friend.
So all those, I'm really grateful for all your attention. And just in case you are not subscribed, so please subscribe the channel right now for more and more reviews and information. Number two would actually be a video that I watched, which is Tom Bilyeu's interview with Seth Godin, his latest interview about how to be a lynchman. Lynchman is where in our current society right now, technology is really taking over repetitive actions by man, which is mainly human beings' job. So today it got me thinking, like, if you're doing the same thing over and over again and that's your job, you can actually be replaced with AI right now. And in the office right now, I'm using AI for my Facebook ads as well. It means if the AI is really effective, it can actually replace me. But my advantage would be my creative and strategy skills that the AI cannot copy. So I need to make sure I sharpen that edge. That's why I see many of the people right now in the market, their job can actually be replaced with technology, and that's where you need to be concerned. Don't say like for those who are 21, 22 right now, they are laughing at the old folks. In 5 years time, when audio takes over, you will be next if you don't upgrade yourself. So my strategy now is to actually drill down more on creative, so you can actually check out my Instagram, where I'm going a little bit more crazy on creatives right now. And what I mean by creative is graphic design skills, image, video auditing skills, and video editing skills, and things like that. So I'll drop the link down below for his video, and please go check it out. It will definitely help you if you are in that innovative and entrepreneurial space. So now I'm heading to the gym again because it's Thursday. It will be energy day, so I'll be needing my running shoes. So somewhat I also think that the shoes that you put on, right, actually somewhat represents the mode that you're in right now. You can be like, for this kind of shoes, you're more relaxed. These boots are my working shoes because I used to work in the site. These are office shoes where you need to be more formal. Yeah. I know my car needs a lot of tidying up. And the third thing right now is, because I have embarked and I hardly say no to anything, any experiments or any career change and things like that. That explains why from an architect I went into real estate, then I went to developer, and I went to developer, then I went to digital marketing, branding, and now I'm doing digital marketing for properties itself, and started a vlog. Now I'm in that crossroad where, you know, there's a network marketing business that I need to decide on embarking, whether should I go all out. But then there's this regret that I'm very afraid of, that if I don't take this chance right now. Regret is when people are regretful of the things they didn't do, not of what they did. The only reason why Gen Ys like us surviving right now and we made a lot of money, for those who made, congratulations, you're awesome. They are not very familiar with the space that we are in right now in terms of marketing. I made a decision to actually put on more effort to grow this channel and bringing you all and you guys the best. Peace. I'm gonna head on to the gym right now and I'll see you guys soon. Ciao.